latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Russian government has claimed that a second COVID-19 vaccine is on the way. Government has claimed that the second vaccine named Epivac Corona will avoid the side effects of the first vaccine that was released earlier. The drug is being produced from a top secret Soviet bioweapons research plant in Siberia, Vector State Research Center of Virology and Biotechnology, which is now a world-leading virology institute. Siberia's Vector State Research Center of Virology and Biotechnology is the only place other than the US which contains stocks of smallpox. According to reports, the clinical trials of Epivac Corona will be completed by September. Scientists have claimed that 57 volunteers on whom the trials were conducted reported no side effects.
All inoculated volunteers are feeling well. To date, the first vaccination was administered to 57 volunteers, while 43 received a placebo. The volunteers have been hospitalized for 23 days as they undergo tests. All volunteers are well. No adverse reactions have been detected so far.
The vaccine looks to produce an immune response after 2 injections that will be administered 14 to 21 days apart. The Russian government is hoping to have the vaccine registered by October and start the production by November. Vector State Research Center has worked on developing 13 possible vaccines for novel coronavirus, which were tested on laboratory animals. Vector State Research Center was once a key facility in the secret and illegal biological weapons program. The State Research Center had produced smallpox on an industrial scale while also weaponizing deadly Marburg. In recent years, the research center has been involved in efforts to find cures and antidotes to bubonic plague, anthrax, Ebola, HIV, SARS, and cancer. Earlier, Russia was heavily criticized when it launched Sputnik V, the first COVID-19 vaccine as claimed by Russia. The vaccine was registered without stage 3 clinical trials amid reports of side effects among a few volunteers. Volunteers suffered physical weakness, malaise, fever, and decreased appetite. After the launch of the vaccine, Russian President Vladimir Putin said the Sputnik V has been registered for use. Putin also said that the vaccine has been used on one of his daughters. The Russian president stated that Russia has become the first country in the world to grant regulatory approval to a coronavirus vaccine after less than 2 months of human testing. Speaking at a government meeting, Putin said that the vaccine has proven to be efficient during tests, offering a lasting immunity from the highly contagious disease. Putin emphasized that the vaccine underwent the necessary tests. Russia's first coronavirus vaccine is developed jointly by Gamaleya Research Institute and the Russian Defense Ministry. While the first vaccine is still being scrutinized, it remains to be seen how countries react to Russia's decision to manufacture a second vaccine.